ever dreamt of setting foot on the moon? Well, back in the late 19th century, long before NASA even existed, Jules Verne took readers on an incredible lunar adventure in his novel, Around the Moon. Verne, a visionary French author, penned this thrilling sequel to his earlier work, From the Earth to the Moon. Living from 1828 to 1905, Verne possessed an insatiable curiosity about science and technology despite living in an era where space travel was purely science fiction. His meticulous research and vivid imagination allowed him to craft stories that, remarkably, predicted future scientific advancements with uncanny accuracy. While he may not have gotten every detail right, his novels ignited the imaginations of generations and inspired countless scientists and engineers. Around the Moon picks up right where From the Earth to the Moon leaves off, with our three intrepid explorers Impey Barbicane, Captain Nicholl, and Mitchell Arden hurtling towards the moon in agile projectile fired from a colossal cannon called the Columbiad. As they journey through the vast emptiness of space, the story delves into the challenges and wonders of their voyage. One of the initial problems the travelers face is dealing with the unsettling sensation of weightlessness. Verne accurately describes the bizarre experience of floating objects and the disorientation it causes. They also begin carefully rationing their supplies and monitoring their oxygen levels, keenly aware of the finite resources within their metallic vessel. But the journey isn't without its scientific observations. The crew meticulously documents the celestial bodies they encounter, marveling at the constellations and attempting to calculate their trajectory. A particularly gripping moment occurs when a rogue meteoroid threatens to collide with their projectile, forcing them to take evasive maneuvers. This event throws off their initial calculations, and they soon realize they will not actually land on the moon, but rather travel around it. As they circle the moon, Verne paints breathtaking descriptions of the lunar surface. He envisions craters, mountains, and valleys, although his imagined geography differs from the reality later revealed by actual lunar missions. Nevertheless, the sheer scope of his vision is awe-inspiring. Barbicane, ever the pragmatic scientist, conducts experiments and collects data, while Arden, the imaginative Frenchman, waxes poetic about the beauty and mystery of the moon. Nicholl, the stoic and courageous captain, keeps a watchful eye on their dwindling resources and ensures their safety. One of the most fascinating aspects of their lunar orbit is Verne's speculation about the possibility of lunar life. He imagines the existence of underground civilizations and even speculates about the presence of water on the moon. While these notions turned out to be largely inaccurate, they highlight Verne's adventurous spirit and his willingness to push the boundaries of scientific speculation. The unexpected encounter with another celestial body, a sort of space debris, further complicates their journey. Their projectile is pulled into an elliptical orbit, making their return to Earth even more uncertain. Making their Adding to the drama, they encounter what they believe is a deceased canine companion previously thought to have been lost during the launch. This leads to a moment of somber reflection on the nature of life and death in the vast expanse of space. Eventually, after a series of perilous maneuvers and calculations, they manage to utilize the gravitational pull of the moon to slingshot themselves back towards Earth. Their reentry is fraught with danger, and they brace themselves for the intense heat and pressure. In a stroke of luck, they are eventually spotted and rescued by August Navy ship, becoming instant celebrities and returning to a world amazed by their extraordinary journey. So, what can we learn from Around the Moon? Beyond the thrilling adventure and imaginative descriptions, Verne's novel underscores the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that even seemingly impossible dreams can become reality through ingenuity, perseverance, and a little bit of luck. Verne's characters exemplify different approaches to facing the unknown. Barbicane represents the power of scientific inquiry and methodical observation. Nicholl embodies courage and resilience in the face of adversity. And Arden reminds us of the importance of imagination and wonder in exploring the mysteries of the universe. Together, they demonstrate the multifaceted nature of human potential. Around the Moon also highlights the importance of collaboration and teamwork. The success of their mission hinges on their ability to work together, leveraging each other's strength and supporting each other through challenging times. In our own lives, we can learn from their example by recognizing the value of diverse perspectives and working collectively towards common goals. Finally, this classic novel serves as a powerful reminder to never stop dreaming and to never underestimate the potential of human innovation. To never Jules Verne, writing over a century before humans actually walked on the moon, dared to imagine what seemed impossible. His vision inspired generations, proving that the power of imagination can indeed shape the future. Thanks for joining A's Book Talk today. Subscribe for more classic book recommendations.